Hello, Wevo peeps. So Brett wanted me to show you how it is that we use pretty links on our website to share our affiliate link with the branding of our website. So here's what we do. First of all, we have a WordPress website. So that's important. If your website is not in WordPress, then this trick won't work for you. So we have a plugin called Pretty Links. So you can see that SedonaMarketingRetreats.com. Just so you know, we purchased the Pro version, so that means that other URLs that we use, even though I use Pretty Links here, will go with that other branding, which you're used to, which is You Love Creative. So while we're waiting for the You Love Creative site to be built, and then we can install Pretty Links on that site, in the meantime, we do this. So that's a little inside baseball. You don't need to worry about that unless you have multiple URLs that you're trying to brand. Otherwise, this is pretty straightforward. So you start with installing the plugin, and then you go to the Wevo site, and you log in. See, I'm already logged in. And you go to the affiliate portal. And just so you know, because I'm recording this video, things are a little slower than what you'll find when you're doing this, live, so to speak. So you just go to the affiliate portal, and I think it's thinking. I hope it's thinking. It worked a moment ago. I just kind of wanted you to see it actually live rather than me just going tap to tap. I wanted you to see what happens. So there you go. So when this opens, it'll open up to the affiliate homepage, which is not where your URL is. But I'm going to show you as soon as it loads. Again, it's kind of slow because I'm using up a bit of bandwidth. I have about a bunch of tabs open, but also because I'm recording this video, so that slows things down. But it does happen. There you go. So this is the affiliate home, but you want to go to Manage Account, because that's where you're going to find your affiliate link. So you go to Manage Account. Again, it's a little slow because of the video, but it'll get there. It's going to open up another page, and right about here will be our affiliate link. You'll see that. There it is. So here's the affiliate link. So you copy this affiliate link, and you go back to your pretty link on your website, and you put that in here. Here's where it says target URL. You paste it in here, and then it will default. It'll give you, some mumbo jumbo. I suggest that you use something. We use Wevo. That's what we do. Now I've already done this, just so you know. So I'm not going to create another one. But this is pretty simple. So you just type in Wevo or whatever you're going to use. We have this for a number of different things. We have a speakers club, so we have SedonaMarketingRetreats.com/speakers club. And then you hit create. And when you hit create, it'll take you to your Pretty Links page. So just so you can see, let's see if I can scroll down so that you can see where Pretty Links. So here's Pretty Links. And you can see all of the different Pretty Links that we have. So there is, where's the Wevo one? Well, apparently I've made a few since Wevo. Wevo affiliate link. There it is. So now what happens is when we go, so like I said, we purchased the upgraded version of Pretty Links so that I can use more than just Sedona Marketing Retreats because we're rebranding. So look what happens if I go to youlovecreative.com/Wevo. Oops. I can't see, just so you know, I can't actually see because there's this thing here in the way. Okay, there we go. Now I can see. Okay, youlovecreative.com/Wevo. So you guys can't see that I typed that. I'm going to fix that in just a moment. Let's see if I can do that. I typed that into the URL. I hit enter. And it should take me to the Wevo homepage. Let's make sure that that works. Hello. There we go. See, there's that Wevo homepage. So there you go. That's all you got to do. If you have questions, then you can find me many ways on the Wevo site to find me. Our phone number and all that is there. The easiest is probably to send an email, info@youlovecreative.com. And that's it. See, less than 6 minutes. Have fun.